Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel AS Tech Gyan. So friends, let's about how to fix Bluetooth connection error in our system. So many times a Bluetooth connection is a error after some time or failed or not connected in device. So that's your problem solved in this video. So this video is watched to till to end, and the solution has provided in a three ways. Then number first solution has provided in a troubleshoot. Then open search box on this system and type find and fix Bluetooth device. Then click OK. After a troubleshoot page is open. Then a problem has detect and then fixed this problem. After many times of troubleshoot is 90 to 95% I fixed this problem. So close this troubleshoot. Okay, problem is fixed, and then close the troubleshoot. If your problem is not fixed, then second solution is provided. Then next solution has provided then device manager. Then right click on Windows, then device manager. After click, then OK. Then device manager has open. Then select on Bluetooth device. Then maximize, and then Bluetooth device my Realme Buds Wireless 2 and below of third options. So then click OK. Then update drivers, search automatically, and then already installed, then close OK. Then next once again update driver, and then manually browsers reinstalled of these drivers. Then have many cases problem has solved. So if your problem has not solved now, then next solution has provided in service manager. Then open search box on this device, then type service manager, then click OK. After clicking service manager, then service manager box open. So find Bluetooth user support service. So below see have Bluetooth user support service, कैन सी है ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ब्लूटूथ यूजर सपोर्ट सर्विस ये है आपका. सो यहाँ पर आपको डबल क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर डबल क्लिकिंग ओपन दिस बॉक्स. आफ्टर डबल क्लिक देन ओपन अ डायलॉग बॉक्स. सो सेलेक्ट ऑन ऑटोमेटिक and then click apply and then OK. But my case my Bluetooth is perfectly work, so I have cancelled in this dialog box. And then cancel and then close of service manager. So I hope this video is beneficial for you and your problem is solved. So then restart your system in our device and your problem is fixed. So I hope your device is perfectly work. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.